Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Speak English Podcast USA. Today, we are going to talk about learn 200 English sentences used in daily life and increase your score. The English language is globally recognized, so anyone planning to move abroad must have a strong grasp of it. Even for migration, visa, PR, or admission to top universities, you need to take English proficiency exams like PTE, IELTS, or DET. So, if you are someone who wants to settle abroad or is willing to learn the language, here are 200 English sentences used in daily life. 1. Basic conversation starter. Show are you doing today? I'm doing great, thank you. What about you? It's nice to meet you. How have you been lately? It's been a long time since we met. I'm glad to see you again. What brings you here today? How was your weekend? Did you have a good day? I'm really looking forward to this conversation. I hope everything is going well. That's great to hear. I've been keeping busy with my studies. Let's get started, shall we? 2. Talking about daily routine. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. The first thing I do is check my phone. I take a quick shower before breakfast. My mornings are always a bit rushed. I prefer tea over coffee. I take public transport to work or college. I spend most of my day studying. I try to go for a walk in the evening. I often read before going to bed. My weekends are mostly for rest and family. I'm trying to follow a healthy routine. Sometimes I stay up late working on assignments. I don't like skipping breakfast. I plan my day the night before. My weekdays are quite busy. 3. Describing yourself. I'm an optimistic and hardworking person. I love learning new things. My friends describe me as reliable and calm. I try to stay positive in every situation. I'm passionate about self-improvement. I enjoy meeting new people and learning from them. I'm quite organized when it comes to studies. I prefer a structured routine. I'm always open to feedback. I like helping others when I can. 4. Describing places useful for speaking exams. My hometown is peaceful and surrounded by greenery. It's a small city, but very well connected. There are several historical monuments nearby. I love visiting the local market on weekends. The weather here is pleasant most of the year. My favorite place in town is the library. There's a beautiful park near my house. The city has developed a lot in recent years. I enjoy spending evenings by the lake. People here are very friendly and helpful. 5. Talking about hobbies. Love reading books, especially fiction. Listening to music helps me relax. I enjoy cooking new dishes. Watching documentaries is my favorite pastime. I like traveling to new places whenever I can. Photography is something I'm passionate about. Playing badminton keeps me active. I often write short stories in my free time. Gardening gives me peace of mind. I recently started learning guitar. 6. Expressing opinions. IELTS, PTE speaking style. In my opinion, education should be accessible to everyone. I believe technology has both pros and cons. Personally, I prefer working in a team. I think social media has changed our lives significantly. To be honest, I find online learning very convenient. From my perspective, discipline is key to success. I strongly feel that mental health deserves more attention. As far as I'm concerned, practice makes perfect. Some people may disagree, but I think reading is better than watching TV. I completely agree with that point of view. 7. Academic and formal. Sentence says the main purpose of this study is to explore the impact of technology According to recent research, climate change is accelerating. It can be observed that online education is becoming more popular. The data clearly indicates a positive trend. It is evident that communication skills are essential for success. To conclude, the findings support the initial hypothesis. In addition, the survey results were quite promising. Moreover, the study highlights several key challenges. It can be argued that education plays a vital role in development. Overall, the results demonstrate significant improvement. 8. Describing experience. CC still remember my first day at school. It was one of the most memorable days of my life. Last year, I visited the mountains with my friends. The trip was full of excitement and adventure. I learned a lot from that experience. It taught me to be independent and confident. I once participated in a debate competition. That was when I realized I enjoy public speaking. I'll never forget the day I received my first award. It was truly a proud moment. Point 9. Talking about goals and ambitions. My goal is to study abroad in the near future. I want to improve my communication skills. I'm working hard to achieve a good score in PTE. In the long run, I wish to build a successful career. I dream of contributing to the education sector. I'm determined to become fluent in English. My short-term goal is to clear my exam with a high score. I want to explore opportunities in international education. I hope to make my parents proud. I'm preparing myself for future challenges. 10. Expressing emotions naturally. I'm really happy with my progress. That news made me so excited. I felt nervous before the test. I was surprised by the result. It made me feel confident. I'm grateful for all the support I've received. I was disappointed, but I didn't give up. I feel more motivated than ever. I'm proud of how far I've come. I feel calm and focused now. 11. Describing trends for writing and speaking over the past decade. Technology has evolved rapidly. There has been a significant increase in online learning platforms. More people are choosing to work remotely. The number of internet users has grown dramatically. Environmental awareness is becoming more widespread. Traditional jobs are being replaced by digital careers. Consumers are now more focused on sustainability. Young people prefer digital payments over cash. Online education is reshaping the future of learning. Social media has influenced almost every industry. 12. Everyday situation. Sex me. Can you help me, please? Could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch what you said. I'll get back to you later. That sounds like a plan. Please give me a moment. I completely understand what you mean. Let's discuss this further. Sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt. Thank you for your patience. 13. Agreeing and disagreeing. Politically agree with you completely. That's exactly what I was thinking. You made a valid point. I see your point, but I have a different opinion. I'm afraid I can't agree with that. That's one way to look at it. I think we can agree to disagree. That's true to some extent. You're absolutely right. I'm not entirely convinced. 14. For group discussions, speaking tests. Let me start by sharing my opinion. I'd like to add something to what you said. That's an interesting perspective. I'd like to highlight another point. Can I share a different view here? I completely agree with your statement. To sum up, I believe we all have similar thoughts. I respect your opinion, but I have a different take. That's a great observation. I'd like to conclude by saying that teamwork matters most. 15. Talking about technology. Technola has changed the way we live. I can't imagine a day without my smartphone. The internet has made information more accessible. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Online platforms make learning much easier. Social media helps us stay connected. However, it also affects our concentration. Technology saves time and effort. Cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important. Innovation drives economic growth. 16. Expressing preferences. Prefer coffee to tea. I'd rather stay home than go out today. I like reading over watching TV. I enjoy quiet evenings. I prefer studying early in the morning. I choose comfort over fashion any day. I love working in a peaceful environment. I like both, but it depends on my mood. I don't really enjoy crowded places. I usually prefer online shopping. 17. Discussing problems and solutions. Main issue is lack of awareness. One possible solution could be education. The government should take necessary steps. People need to act more responsibly. Awareness campaigns can make a big difference. Technology can help solve this problem. Proper planning is essential for success. We should focus on long-term solutions. Collaboration is the key to progress. Small steps can lead to big results. 18. Expressing possibility or future plans. He might go abroad next year. I'm planning to apply for a master's program. It's likely to rain tomorrow. I single quotes LL start my new course soon. There's a good chance I'll succeed. I'm looking forward to my results. I'm hoping to travel next summer. I'm preparing for my upcoming interview. I'll probably move to another city. I expect things to go well. 19. Phrases for writing tasks. Firstly, it is important to note that. On the other hand, it can be argued that, furthermore, several factors influence this trend. In contrast, some people believe otherwise. To illustrate, let's consider an example. In conclusion, every issue has two sides. Overall, the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. It is crucial to find a balance. Therefore, awareness and action are equally important. To sum up, education remains the foundation of progress. 20. Ending conversations or responses. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your time. It was nice talking to you. I appreciate your opinion. I completely enjoyed this discussion. Let's continue this conversation another time. I've learned something new today. That's a wonderful conclusion. I think we're on the same page. Thanks again for listening. To 1. Smart connectors and fillers to sound fluent in exams. Actually, I've never thought about that. Well, that's an interesting question. To be honest, I'm not completely sure. Let me think for a second. That's a tough one. As far as I know, that's true. I guess it depends on the situation. Personally speaking, I'd say yes. You could say that. If I had to choose, I'd go for that option. 22. Real-life scenario. Would you tell me the way to the nearest station? What's the best place to eat around here? Can I have a ticket for tomorrow's show? I'd like to make a reservation. How much does it cost per night? Please confirm my booking. Can you help me with directions? Is it possible to cancel my order? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be late. Thank you for understanding. To 3. For listening and speaking practice. Could you repeat that, please? I didn't quite catch that. Could you speak a little slower? That makes sense now. I completely understand your point. That's exactly what I was going to say. You're absolutely right about that. I couldn't agree more. That's a valid argument. Yes, that's quite possible. To 4. For polite communication. May I come in? Would you mind if I sat here? Could you please open the window? Please let me know your thoughts. Thank you for your cooperation. I appreciate your understanding. It's very kind of you to say that. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. I truly value your time. Have a wonderful day ahead. Why is it important to learn English sentences used in daily? Most of the time, students pause in mid-conversation to find the right English word and end up in second-guessing. This impacts negatively if you are middle of any English exams. So, when you learn these sentences, you will be able to increase your fluency, can talk in simple and natural ways.